Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Discord text link. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So now here's how to create a Discord text link. Firstly, open Discord, then go to your text server or you want to send the text link with. Now tap on the box, open and close square brackets, and add the text you want to display inside the brackets. Then follow with open and close parentheses. Inside the parentheses, include open and close angle brackets. Here's the example. Next, place the link between the open and close angle brackets. So here's the example. Then press enter to send. When the message is sent, it will display as text, which will be a clickable link. Clicking on it will redirect you to the specified web page. Then gain permission by clicking the checkbox. Then hit visit site. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.